Hi guys, welcome to our channel, glad to see you here. Today I want to share with you information how to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies safe, easy and fast, without any technical knowledges or extra wallets to hold these cryptocurrencies and with no difficulties. I using the platform that allows me to buy and sell cryptocurrencies anytime I want, and just literally 24/7 and from any spot in the world where you can catch the Wi-Fi and connect your device, your gadget to the platform. It calls IQ option. There's plenty of tools for traders, and there's opportunity to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin also, of course. And you have the applications for iOS and for Google, for Android. What do you need to do? You need to sign up. You need to fulfill the all the fields: first name, last name, phone number or email, password, confirming that you're 18 plus years, and you open in an account. This is absolutely free, and of course you'll be able to practice first with a practice account. Or you can, of course, use to log in. You can use your Facebook account or Google mailbox. You'll get a notification. You'll get confirming mail to your mailbox, and you just fill in that fields and pressing open an account for free. I'm already on the platform, so I'm logging in, and I want to show you the what's happening in the platform itself. I want to show you what's happening on the dashboard and how you can directly buy or sell Bitcoin. Here on the left top corner, you can find the list of tools. You can find the list of assets. There's options, forex, stocks. You can buy the stocks of a lot of companies, and you find the crypto. You need to find the crypto, and you need to choose which cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. There's plenty of them, 26 positions, and you find it in Bitcoin. For example, right here I have a couple purchases. I have couple positions. Two of them have to be correct. All of them right now is in the bad spot, in the minus, but I will wait anyway, because I have some amount of Bitcoin I invested, and I want to show you how to buy Bitcoin right now. You changing your amount of your deposit. Of course, first of all, you need to make the deposit on the platform. There's no problems with payment systems. There's a lot of them. You can use even MasterCard and Visa cards, and this is very easy. And withdrawal of funds also very easy and without problems. So you changing the amount of your investment. You can use the multiplier here. Well, you're gonna read it, and you're gonna find out that everything is pretty easy. And you pressing buy or sell depending on which way you think the price will go. So I believe that the price will go up, and 72% of people also thinks that price will rise. And if you interested in that issue, you know that the price is going up and down all the time, but right now in 2020, the more people getting interest into the cryptocurrencies, because in 2017 it was the peak and it was just high demand for cryptocurrencies, and right now it's the second wave. And right now all the things with blockchain technology and all the things with cryptocurrencies, again, people are just telling about it, people speaking about it, people interested in how to buy Bitcoin or how to buy other cryptocurrencies, because this is great investment tools in the long-term run. Okay, and even right now, for example, if I have 11 almost 12% of loss, but I know that the price is going up and I know that I'm gonna have my profit for sure, because if you're interested in this issue, you know that prices for the cryptocurrencies are rising right now in this moment, slowly, but it's rising. It's getting more expensive, and now is the great spot to buy and not to sell. Let's press the buy button. $1,000 amount of my investment. There's a small fee for that platform is taking for all the actions with cryptocurrencies, blockchain, etc., and so on. So there's a small fee. Any platform takes a fee, and you don't need to worry about that. And that's it. I pressed buy. Here is my my point. And when you're gonna have a profit, for example, the levels might be, as you can see right here, the levels, the price is growing, and right now it's in the green zone or in the red zone. When your position, any of your positions are in the green zone, you can close the position separately from others and just get your profit. It's not much, it's zero, around the zero, so I'm gonna wait, because a lot of experts saying that Bitcoin will rise in the price and other cryptocurrencies will rise in the price. So that's the point, and I invested some amount of money, and I'm holding it on my account. And in a week, in a 2, or in a month, for example, when I'm gonna see here in this list the green numbers, I will close these positions, I will get my profit, and I will get my money back that I've spent for Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So that's it. That's pretty simple. You can buy a lot of cryptos, a lot of them. Okay, I want to buy 1,000. Might go. And let's make a purchase for Ethereum, for example. It's also great cryptocurrency, and it's gonna rise. And if you'll scroll out a little bit, you'll see that the picture is slowly growing, you see. So I'm sure that my investment will bring me the profit in a long run, and I suggest you to try invest in the cryptocurrencies. There's plenty of tools, of course. There's stock market, you can buy shares of big companies, you can trade on the forex market, but the cryptos is one of the best investment tools for the moment, for the 2020, and I'm using it. And I want to say that do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, but you need to try to buy Bitcoin. This is safe, easy, fast, and this is very reliable platform that you can count on, that it will not disappear tomorrow, for example, and you can be safe and you can stay calm about the safety of your investment. Thank you so much. I showed you how to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You can find the link to get to the platform in the description panel of this video. I wish you a great day and a big profits. Thanks and bye.